Exercise number 2 is also with the barbell, and we're going to be doing an overhead press. Now, you don't have to do the overhead press with a barbell like this. You can use dumbbells, but again, the overriding principle is it needs to be heavy. You need to be able to complete 6 reps, and that's pretty much all you can complete. If you can complete more, it's not quite heavy enough. And then you want to be completing 3 to 5 sets of those 6 reps. So we want to be doing it nice and heavy, short, long rest, so short reps, long rest, to be able to get the maximum from it, because again, we want the load going down through the body. Now, the advantages of the overhead press is it gets the arms and the shoulders going. You can use a dumbbell press, there's nothing wrong with that. Dumbbell press can do a very similar job, but we've got the overhead press. It's very functional in the way that if you're lifting something up above your head, this is what the bar's for. Now, as I mentioned, the bar is 20 kilos. So for some people, that's just too heavy. So I then recommend using the dumbbells and building up to moving on to a barbell for 6 reps. But again, start with dumbbells. Use dumbbells from 12 reps to 10 reps to 8 reps to 6 reps. So get up nice and heavy on the dumbbells and then start thinking about moving over. When you can do 10 kilos in each hand with a dumbbell, then you come onto the barbell. So with regards to the overhead press, what you do is you come into this position. Now you have your hands just wider than shoulder width apart. What you then do is you can split your stance like this, or you can go neutral like this. And then what you then do is push the weight over your head like so. Pause for a second, come back down, let it rest sort of on the top of the chest, and then push again. And then come back down. The thing to avoid with this one is when you come through, you press over the head and you arch your back, or the hands are above or in front of the head. What you want is basically a vertical line. Up like so, into this position, and then you come down. Now with regards to bone health and maintaining it, this is now starting to bring in the arms and the hands into the equation, because we're pressing over the head, so you've got all that load coming down through into the shoulder blade and spine, and to some degree you'll get a bit from the legs, but it's not quite heavy enough for the legs. But we've got the arms, so that's obviously both arms. It's going all the way down through the body, and all that load's going to be coming down, plus you're going to get the muscle contraction, which again is going to be pulling on the bone, which is going to be adding more sort of tendon strength, muscle strength, and bone density to it as well. So exercise number 2, this time for the upper body, is the overhead press, but make sure you can build up 6 reps, 10 kilos in both hands if you're using dumbbells. So you need to build up to that, then you can come across onto a barbell like this. You've also got alternative exercises like the dumbbell press where you're led down on your back pushing up, but I'll add that in into another video. But for now, because of the functional side to it and the lifting up over the head, we're gonna go with overhead press, and then we'll talk about dumbbell press in another video.